Okay, I have my trusty ATG glider. It looks sturdy, but it's really just because it's old. I've had this thing for a really long time, and I really like it because it's easy to use, and the adhesive that you buy, because you're buying in bulk, is much more affordable than it is to buy the smaller adhesive tape runners, which often result in more plastic in our landfills. So I like this reusable element better. So to take out the last roll, I'm going to twist this puppy off and take it out. And then I'm just going to pull all this old strip here off. To get this off here, there's a little tab. I'm going to pull on that. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit better so you can see. Here's the tab there. I'm just going to pull in towards the center and pop that off. And all of this gets thrown away and sticks to your freshly done, not quite dry manicure. That was great. All right. So now, adhesive everywhere. So I want to start by pulling on the tab on my next roll. And there is a little guide on here that's really hard to see in the picture, but there you go. You can see that it guides you. I want to have the tape coming up, right? So it shows you, that's the ring, the tape's going to come out towards these rollers. And I'm going to put that down. You want to be kind of gentle here. It can be hard sometimes to pop it in, at least for me. There we go. But you want to get it down past that tab. And you're going to go over this and under this. So over, under, and then it's going to wrap around. Now you can't just pull here and drag it all the way over here. You've got to press your button here and pull it to where you have some excess over here. On this side, I'm going to try to bring a light right over that. See if I can zoom in just a little bit more. There is some divots here, and I am going to take this part right there. It's got a little, I don't know what you would call that. It looks like a kind of like a T right there. And I'm going to run this tape, put it back here, over under, remember? And we're going to loop it through like that. So loop it through, and then we're going to tuck that tail down. And since there's a little tiny bit of adhesive on the end, it sticks. Then we want to put this back, and you're going to click it into place and close it. Now, I do find that sometimes the first few rolls don't always come out well. Let's see how this does. Yeah, see, that happens sometimes. But it gets better. Don't stress about it. It's just at the very beginning it has some trouble. Make sure it's all lined up properly. And try again. There we go. Now it's rolling. Voila. It is now working.